Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to create a bootable USB drive. So first of all, let's insert our pen drive. It is here. Then let's open our Power ISO. Let's wait for this one to finish because I'm on a trial version. So let's wait. Okay. Then press continue trial version. Okay. So tools, you select tools. Since we want to create a bootable USB drive, you see a USB tool over here. Then create a bootable USB drive. With this one, it will give you an option to sign in as administrator. Click on OK, then press yes for it to come. Then wait again for this one to finish. Okay, let's click continue and let's start the process. So this will be the bootable dialog box. So let's start the process. Image file will be our bootable USB bootable drive dialog box. So image file simply means the windows, the location of the windows. So we are going to click on this icon over here, then select our windows here, then press OK. Then let's start the whole procedure. So this is our pen drive, which is 31 gig. If you have even 8 gig, you can use it for that. Okay, so let's start the process. Let's click OK. Let's wait for it to finish. Please, with this one, it will take some time. So wait for it to finish before you start the whole process. So let's wait for it to finish. Okay, so when you see this dialog box, then you are good to go. Then you press OK. Then, so if you are new on my channel, make sure you subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.